Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is 18-year-old instantly regrets letting her little brother out of sight.
Quiet afternoon, officers came across a terrified 7-year-old boy, alone, scared, and nearly 14 miles away from home. It didn't take long for them to realize something was very wrong. His 18-year-old sister, who was supposed to be watching him, was already in a panic, searching frantically when police rushed to the house.
Is he in the car?
So who are you?
14 miles?
Leaving trying to find him. Hold on, I'm talking to the police.
So who is...
I'm the sister.
Your sister, where's Mama at?
Mama just left to go take somebody to the airport, but they coming back because there was a late flight.
Okay, so who's in charge of him?
What do you mean by that? I was watching him and he came out the door.
So you were watching him?
Yeah.
34 to Feniac. I'm going to be making contact with the sister. She was the one watching the child. How old are you?
I'm 18.
34 to 20. It's going to be 18. All right, so how long's Mom been gone?
Just not too long ago. I don't remember.
Estimate.
Like 20 minutes. My grandma just came. He was here. Went back in the house. Next thing you know, she came in my room, told me I gave them a banana and a Pop-Tart. Told me that she was gone, or he was gone. He came out, he went out the house again. I'm like, oh my God. So then I left trying to go find him because last time he did this, he was down all the way down with his bike down We Care Park.
Where were you at in the house?
In my room, right here in the front.
Where we just walked into?
Yeah.
That room? Okay,
yeah.
So you were in there, and he
came out the garage.
Okay, so he come out the garage.
Mm-hmm.
How long has he been?
It was just a second, like literally I just saw him because I've been watching him because I know.
What's a rough estimate?
I don't know. Oh, it's a blur. I don't know. From the time when I left, I don't even know. I don't know. I would say about like 5-10 minutes. Like it wasn't that long.
5-10 minutes. Okay.
It was how I just saw him.
No, I called his name, but he wasn't.
Did they find him or no?
Yeah, he's safe. I'll tell you, I can tell you right now, he's far away. Like he's very far away.
This is the third time he done did this, literally, in just a week, and he got trouble for it.
So, can you get in contact with your mom? How long?
Yeah, she's on her way back now.
How long will it take her to get here?
And then my son, call my stepdad too. That's his son. She's on his way too. I told him that he did it again. I don't call him.
So you were here babysitting her and him.
Mm-hmm. Do you want to call my stepdad too?
No, just get her here. 34 to 20, the sister's making contact with the mother to get her 51 to this location.
It's traffic, and I can't get way to pass them.
I'm gonna wait for mother to be 10-12 and then I'll 10-15.
285.
She said she.
Mossy Head.
285.
Oh, she's in Mossy Head. Goodness.
Daddy might be on the way.
Yeah, I know. He's
34 to Feniac. She's advising the mothers all the way out in Mossy Head.
getting off not too long ago when I called him.
I call him back, but he might be in a dead zone, so he probably can't get my call. I was going to let him know that he was looking for the police department. So I had told him, so I don't know if he in and there, but I was trying to call him and tell him that he was already at the house and the police was already there.
Okay. So yeah, she's on 285.
Okay.
So I don't know what you need me to do, or because I'm the sister.
Give me 1 second. Let me make a phone call. Hang tight right here for me, okay? Who is this? The grandma, okay. So grandma's 10-12 now. The sister's 18 as of February.
I literally just gave him banana and stuff.
Okay. All right, 10-4.
And he was just in there.
All right, bye. Okay, talk to you real quick.
Yes, sir.
Who is she to you?
That's my granddaughter.
Your granddaughter. Who is he to you?
My grandson.
Grandson.
I can go get her switching to this behind.
All right, so you need to go. You're going to go down North 20th right here. They're going to be down there. The officer's advising he's petrified right now, and he is not. They're just saying he's upset. I need you. And you're not going to like to hear this. I need you to take the little girl, okay? So that she's going to go to jail. I hate to say that. I do.
Why?
It's child endangerment.
Well, I just left the house about 10 minutes ago.
It's how far he is. It's the
I just left the house about 5 minutes. Don't take her to jail, please.
Go down there. You can talk to that sergeant, but right now I need you to take the little girl, okay? And head down there. All right?
All right. I'm watching Mariah.
So she's gonna go down there with her to pick him up.
Okay.
I guess he's upset right now.
To who?
The boy.
Okay.
Your little brother.
Okay.
So he's pretty far away. So it's.
I ain't gonna lie, Grandma played that smooth, boy. Grandma, a real one. I ain't gonna lie to you, Grandma. She played that smooth. She did exactly what the officer said. Take the girl and got on up out of there. She didn't really make a whole fuss. Hey, you getting arrested? You getting locked up? Like the sister still don't know that she about to get in them. You know, she don't even know it. And, you know, partly I feel like, you know, if the child has been doing this, you know, frequently, you gotta keep a better eye on them. Like, you know, if you babysitting or whatever, everybody gotta be hanging out in the living room. This ain't your time to be hanging out in your room. And you know that the kid he known for sneaking out. What is you doing? Like, y'all gotta be hanging out in the living room, building forts or something. You know what I'm saying? Like, whatever, you know, or chilling in your room, playing the game or something. You gotta keep all eyes on him, you know, because he's known for getting out. As simple as that. But yeah, Grandma played it smooth.
Been a little bit since it's been gone. So
I don't understand. He did that, like, it was like the other time when he did that, it was just a second.
So listen to me. So legally, that is child endangerment.
Yes.
Okay? All right, so as of right now, you are being placed under arrest, okay?
Okay.
All right, so you're going to go to Walton County Jail for child endangerment, all right?
Okay.
All right, Greg, you throw your phone in there real quick. All right, Grandma's going to go down there and pick him up. He's fine.
Okay.
That's 30. Good. 30.
She ain't never babysitting again.
You shot from that 10, 15.
She playing it cool though.
Alright, you have anything on you that's gonna get you in trouble at the jail?
No.
Nothing?
No, nothing at all.
She literally ain't got nothing on. This is a tough one.
Need anything? I'm good. Okay.
Who should really be held accountable here? The parents, for trusting an 18-year-old to handle such a big responsibility? Or the sister, for losing track of her 7-year-old brother and letting him end up 14 miles away? Drop your thoughts in the comments.
Honestly, 14 miles is crazy though. That takes some time. Like, that definitely takes some time. Like, for real. Like, I don't even know. That's, boy, 14 miles? That's like a half hour. Like, think about it. People run like, what, on average, maybe like, what? How long is a mile? A mile is, no, that's gotta 14 miles? Nah, that's longer than that because I go for like a mile walk, and that a mile walk like takes about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So 14 miles is crazy. That's not him being gone no 5 minutes. That's crazy. Yeah. I mean, that's a tough one. I bet she ain't babysitting no more, you know, and we all know if you the older sibling, right? Like I'm the oldest out of my siblings, you know? So did I have to babysit? Yeah, I had to babysit. You know what I mean? So I know what she going through, but you know, if you got a child that is used to running out and he has that tendency, you really got to keep an eye on him for real. So, man, damn, that's a tough one, man. But anyway, the cops did the right thing. Tough situation, but it is what it is. I give the cops 5 out of 5, man. He didn't embarrass her in front of grandma or in front of the other child, you know, and everything. So everything was good. Grandma, she played her role correctly, came through, picked up the kids, got up out of there. Like, she ain't really fuss and make no. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.